Hi, I'm Ben Lichtenwallner, the founder of Virtual Leadership Programs, and this is how to use the Feedback Details page. On this page, you have the details of a single individual's specific response to one of your feedback forms. So as you can see here, it's the most amount of detail you're going to get, or the most detailed level. Anonymous example, this is the name of the form, the feedback form. Again, we gave it a nice clear name, right? The name of the person being reviewed, that's me. Reviewed by, this individual has chosen to give their name even though they had the option to remain anonymous on this particular form. The date they provided the review and time. And each of these shows the black bar is the maximum possible points you could give each one, 100 points on each. And you can see I'm doing really well according to this person at effectively problem solving. However, I'm really doing terrible according to them. Only 5 out of a possible 100 for they work in a manner respectful to others. Now, however, the individual has chosen not to provide any comments. Because they were willing to share their name, it's probably a good idea for me to reach out to them and ask them for some more feedback. They meet deadlines. They say I'm doing great. They complete their tasks effectively, doing pretty well too. 86 out of 100 is a pretty darn good score. So overall, this person thinks I'm really getting my stuff done, but I'm not being very respectful to others. Again, they chose not to provide comments. I hope that somebody doing that would provide some comments, but in this case, it's probably good for me to sit down with them for a one-on-one and get more information.